Come on, David, come out. Are you coming out? Come out in the snow. There's Elijah standing next to the ruler. Elijah, what does the ruler say? Do you remember? It says 10 inches. It says 10. It's 10 inches of snow. And that's the driveway there, because I know it's flat. Come on, David. Today is December the 26th, 2010. It's the day after Christmas. Come on, David. I mean, this is just getting out the front. This is just getting out the door right now. We're going to make a snowman. Should we go in the back or the front to make a snowman, huh? What do you think? We're having a snowstorm in Southeast Virginia. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I believe. Now, if you look at their hands, I put Walmart bags and wool socks, and I rubber band them around their arms so that their hands will stay warm and dry. And dry is the key in this wind. Elizabeth's going to come out in a second. I don't think she's ready yet because we were trying to get the kids ready. Oh my goodness, all the snow, there's so much of it. Now, I put the cars under the carport, and look at that. There's still snow on top of the car. Because so much of the snow blew horizontally under the carport. See, I even put the bikes in here to keep them dry. And look at that. David, are you stuck? Are you stuck in the snow, David? What is... Yes, Father, is that what you said? No, Father? He said no, Father. Okay. Or did he say snow, Father? Is Mommy coming out yet? Let's wait for her. What do you think, David? What do you think, Elijah? It's sure nice to be in the warm house.